everyone, welcome back to my channel here at Tech Imaginations. I'm Susan Vincentz, and in today's video we're going to learn about a new note-taking app called Knowt, and that's Knowt. And we're going to learn all about Knowt and how it can quiz you and help you study for upcoming tests and exams and quizzes. So join me as we move over and look at Knowt. So here we are in Knowt, and that's Knowt, and notice the website is knowt.io, knowt.io. So when you first get there, you'll have to sign up for an account, which you can sign right up through your Google account. So if you're on Google Workspace for Education or a personal Google account, you have the ability to sign in that way. It'll ask you several questions for you to set up your account, what grade level, if you're a teacher or a student, and all of that good stuff. So just go through that initial setup, and then you'll get right here to your dashboard. So you're going to see a little bit more on my dashboard because I've already been playing around and adding some things. But the first thing that you can do with this Knowt app is actually take notes. So say you're sitting in class and you're going through and listening to the teacher or reading through an article, reading through a chapter in your book, you can take your notes right here. Now, I'm going to go back to a set of notes that I already started working on. So I have these right here about the water cycle. You have all of the fun editing tools right here. So I started listing my notes on the water cycle, and they're here ready for me, good to go. I can also share them. Just like I would a Google Doc, I can make it private, only visible to me, or I can make it public. And I can choose how I'd like to do that. I can tag it with various things here as far as grade level and all of those things. But one nice thing here, and many of you, if you've used Quizlet before, you will know that it has a flashcard feature. So Knowt has the same thing. So I can go through my flashcards, evaporation, and I can go through, flip my flashcards, and it'll tell me the definition of the word and so on. So I have that ability, but I also have another button right up here. Notice this green button that says quiz. If I click that quiz button, it'll let me know it's saved automatically. I can choose the length of my quiz to how many ever questions, and then you got question types to choose from, multiple choice, true, false, matching, fill in the blank, ordering. So you can unselect the ones that you do not want to be included in your quiz. And this is for students. In fact, this app was created by college students. So college students who knows more about what they need in taking notes and studying for an exam. And then you have other options there, and then you can tell it to quiz you. So water falling from the clouds in the form of rain, sleet, and snow. So let's see, here is my answer. Let's see if I get it correct. And I did it. Good job studying this material. And then I can go to the next question, or I can X out and keep going and exploring the app. So I'm going to say no on that one. So anytime I want to get back to my main screen, I can just hit the Knowt logo up here at the top. And then I also have the ability right up here to search. So if we're studying a certain topic, so maybe I'm studying plants, it will give me various chapter numbers and things like that, or I can just search the word in general. And you're not going to always be sure of where some of this is coming from, but you can just click on them to see what you're going to get. So here is chapter 12 plants. These are notes that already are taken for you. This happens to talk about the AP exam here, so you know, depending on what grade level you are, but here are the ready-made flashcards, ready to go. You can go and take the quiz. So this is a huge feature where you can go search for notes on a certain topic. Even various textbooks are included if others have entered them. So take a look at Knowt for yourself as a student if you're studying for whatever area you're studying, or if you are a teacher looking to offer more features for your students to be able to get ready for their exams as they are upcoming. Enjoy! Well, thank you for tuning in, and I hope you learned something new and that you can find useful for yourself in your own studies or for your students in your classroom. Be sure and hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you're able to find more of my videos for your tech tutorial needs. And I hope you have a great day. Be blessed, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.